So guys, welcome back. We are on the way to Shangnyu Village, historical place. Gotta visit with some of our friends. Local tourists can here see, and at the main backside there so. Shangnyu Village day. So we are moving ahead. Longpo Junction 보시래 guys. 땡한 빌럭 पाइसे. ये सारे जा रहा. Since the road comes, we stop for a while right now. So we'll be reaching out to our village and we'll try to visit all the historical place. After work is done, it will be much easier for everyone those who want to visit. And if anybody who wants guide and any inquiry, you guys can contact to us to the given number in the description.
Normal car.
It's like adventure, na? So
Yeah. Let's see how quickly this gets completed.
Hello guys, I'm Shangnyu Village rider as a like Instagram page to our page in my YouTube channel. I do request all my subscribers to follow them up and let them get a blessing from us also since they are visiting to our place. Oh, Shangnyu Village. Welcome to Shangnyu Village, sir.
Oh, hi Shangyu.
I hope you are enjoying the ride.
Yes. It's like adventure for us, but difficulty for the villagers.
Yes.
One day is fine, but every day is a nightmare. I took it out from there before getting stuck.
रास्ता भी है ना सब लितरा घर हो गया रे यार रास्ता इतना खराब है सो this is a ground actually sir this is playground of the village पूरा लितरा village it's okay we can watch finally Tingsang pung di jauh les Tingsang Try. Yeah. Woo! Nice drive.
This is all slippery mud wala terrain, right?
Sure. Yeah, we'll stop here once. Woo! I'll go back right now. Mara. Saman loina jai se dei gift kan loina jai se yate bra see pura this one oh you took this one
Yes.
oh thank you so much
Thank you. My gift. Thank you.
okay special gift from the side
Mukhang gibi ay takiji din nga lagi.
one photo we'll have one photo na
Kitab na? Kitab na ay takiji.
chalo we'll have one photo okay one to go two
हम लोग दूर बनेगा लोहा भी नहीं है इधर गांव में जमाना हो गया इसका
whole day we were roaming around to explore the historical place in Shangnyu Village. So sir, since it's the first time that you're visiting here, so your experience, yeah.
It's a great experience considering that we reached such a remote place in Nagaland where still a tribe is there which is like and so culturally so rich and there are so many things to see, watch out, understand what kind of life they had, the pains, the trouble which they have right now, and what are their expectations, life. So I think in all, it's a very good cultural appreciation. What I'll say, I will appreciate the things which my brother has shown us here, and what to say. Yeah. So, और क्या मैं बोलूँ?
People are very good.
People are good, kind, and if you have any kind, मतलब, you should not fear of coming to Nagaland.
This place.
This place
If
as
you are
well.
able to come, just visit this place once. You will have a good experience coming out here.
Yes, ma'am. So why don't you share something like, what are the things that you guys are witnessing to improve? What you guys are wishing to improve in some corners in my village? What
So-
you want to give a message to my villagers? Yeah.
Message to villagers, I think be strong. I know that the time has been quite
Very
difficult, rough and difficult throughout these decades since development is yet to reach here. So definitely, seek out support, ask for help, and start getting, support for building roads and hospitals or clinics, at least a health center kind of things, and work on education and explore the world and try to understand how to bring more to your village. Matlab, it's definitely, study, go work outside, but then at the end of the day, come and do something for your place as well and spread the message.
Yes. Thank you so much. Any message, ma'am, from your side?
Very good people, and thanks a lot for showing such a culturally rich village. I would love to come back again.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. So Angh Naga called Palace Manase. So we're gonna move out right now after exploring all the village, guys. So guys, this is special dishes offered by my brother for 3 of us. A friend from Orissa, ma'am and sir. We are together and we are having food. We are trying Naga dishes here. And Rajamarja. खाया है राजमर्जा थोड़ा टेस्ट किया कैसा है हॉट चलो अच्छा से खाना और भी लेके खाना और थोड़ा दूर दूर घूमने वाला है ना
गलती से पूरा न चाह जाऊं
like I go to my side this is love song
Okay. For whom? Wife.
oh my god tong inakilat ang ngap pang pong senu yang yui yan da
मामा के म्हणतो मामा तर
ang ngapu pao ma ka yu bang yang pu ling nu lam bong ma yong bang
I'll do 2 times. 2 times. Big sound. Yeah. Foreigners, they used to climb out here also.
Huh.
We used to show them. Even the Korean lady which came to which visit to our village, they climb up here.
Headhunters.
Beads of head and kyahit.
The headhunters, how many they kill the enemies. They used to make a necklace in olden times.